Today we're going to talk about the 4 different types of guarantees that you can have with your course. Now, when you have a course, a guarantee is a really great way to help with people that are on the fence, help with people that are a little, I'm not too sure, I really want to do this, but that's a big investment. I don't know if I can. I don't know if this is going to be the best thing for me. I don't know. I'm a little unsure. This is a lot of money. So a guarantee can really help to push people over that fence and say, you know what? Let's take the risk out of it. Let's take it out. So there's 4 different types of guarantees that we're going to talk about. The first one is one that you don't see very often, and that is a rebate guarantee. So what this is you are saying, hey, if you complete the course, if you complete X information, maybe you want to complete 50% of the course or 100% of the course, but if you do within a certain amount of time, maybe that's a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever it is, then I will give you a percent back. Or you can say, if you complete 100% of the course and you complete a testimonial, then I will give you 50% back. That's amazing. That may be like, you know what? Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to help to take away that, I don't know, I'm on the fence. Is it worth it? But if they're like, you know what? If I'm going to get 50% back, if this is a $500 course and I'm going to get $250 back, making the course only $250, yeah, I would pay $250 for this. Like, for sure, I'm going to do this. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to, like I said, it's going to take away that fear of, I don't know, I'm on the fence. It's also going to give you a testimonial, of a guaranteed testimonial if they do it, if they ask for the $250 back or the 50% back or whatever it is. And this is also going to help with getting your students to complete your course. I know that I am so guilty of having a full library of courses that I have bought and only gone through a couple lessons, or some of them no lessons at all. But I have it in my library because I know that I may need it, or one day, or when I'm at the point in my business, I saw a really good deal, so I wanted to snag it, but I know that 6 months from now, I'm going to want that course, then I have it. So it's going to help prevent people like me that will just buy a course and never go through it, because we put our heart and soul into these courses. We want the transformation. We want to help people with it. But if they're not completing the content, then what's the point? So we don't want to just take their money. We want to actually help them and transform their life. So by creating that rebate guarantee, making sure that they actually complete the course, that's going to be a game changer. So with the rebate, you're saying pay 100% upfront, and then after X amount of days, if you complete this, give me a testimonial, complete the survey, and then I will give you X amount back. So that is the rebate method. That's a really cool one. If you want to go even deeper into ThriveCart, I have a free course that walks you through ThriveCart, setting up ThriveCart, all the ins and outs of ThriveCart. It's a over-the-shoulder type of view where you can see exactly what I'm doing click by click. It goes to the ins and outs of setting up a course, launching a course, and like I said, it is completely free, so definitely check it out down below in the description. And I do want to say, if you don't have ThriveCart yet, I have a link for 50% off of ThriveCart lifetime access, which is amazing about ThriveCart. There's other course platforms where you have to pay monthly or annual, but with ThriveCart, it's lifetime access, and I have a link for 50% off. I do receive a small commission if you use my link, but like I said, you get the 50% off discount for using the link, and you help support me and my family, and so I can continue creating free videos like this for you and free courses like the one down below in the description. So check it out, check out the course, and check out ThriveCart if you have not already. The next type of guarantee is a 100% money back guarantee. So you're saying, if you're not fully satisfied within X amount of days, send me an email and I will give you a refund. Now, that may be no questions asked. That may be if you complete X amount of the course and this workbook. That may be if you fill out this survey as why you didn't like it. If you could set the standard of how much you want them to complete. That is totally up to you. But with a full refund, you're saying, I will give you a full refund up to this amount of time. If you do everything within 30 days, 60 days, 7 days, 14 days, whatever you want. So that is a full refund. That is taking on the most risk for you as the creator. But those types of things, people may say, you know what? what's the risk? I might as well do it. Now, you're going to get people that just ask for a refund on anything. That's in there. Take that into consideration. Don't take it personal. There have been times when I first started selling courses and I remember it so vividly. I got my first refund and I took it so personal. I was like, this is amazing. This is so helpful. And what do you mean you didn't learn X, Y, and Z? Or what do you mean all this stuff? And now I have to say, you know what, Kelly? I factor that into my analysis. I factor that into when I am doing my projections for the year. I factor in some refunds because that's just people's personality. That's just who they are. They refund everything. I bet you if you looked at their Amazon account, they were going to Kohl's. They were going and returning a lot of items to Amazon. And that is just the type of people that they are. So that is the full refund. The next is a partial refund. And you can say, if you are not fully satisfied or whatever it is, and you completed this amount by this time, if you completed 50% within the first 30 days, I will give you a 50% refund. So that is a little bit more of a, okay, I got you 50%. I'll take 50% if I'm not fully satisfied. I think I'm going to be satisfied. I think I'm going to learn a ton, but this is still a big investment. Okay, I know that I can at least get some of my money back if it didn't transform my life, if I didn't find value, if I didn't already know everything that was in the course. So that is the partial refund. And just like the full refund, you can set parameters. You can say, if you complete 100%, if you complete anything, no questions asked, or if you fill out this survey, or if you do this, then I will give you the partial refund. The fourth type of guarantee is no guarantee. And that is the thought process of, you know what, this is a digital product. Once they see what's here, they can't unsee it. They can't unlearn. I put the content out there and you know what? No question, no guarantee. I believe in my product and you have to be all in, committed. And if not, then sorry. But no guarantee. You can't unlearn what you already learned. You can't unsee what you already see. So that is the fourth type of guarantee. So we have the rebate guarantee, the full refund, the partial refund, and the no refund guarantee. So hope this was helpful. Guarantees are a really great way to take that uneasiness off of our customers and get them, sometimes they just need that little push and a guarantee will help with that. Now that we've talked about creating a guarantee and locking in those sales, the next step is your sales page. This video is going to walk you through how to set up a sales page super easily. It also comes with a template on having a sales page that is free, and it's going to walk you through step by step what you need to include and how to design it right in ThriveCart. It's drag and drop, so easy.